Goodbye swelling. 8 collagen-rich vegetables you must eat for your legs and joints. They told you swelling is just part of getting older. But what if that's a lie? For years, the pharmaceutical industry has pushed creams, pills, and injections while completely ignoring the real root cause of collapsing knees, tingling feet, and vanishing muscle after 60. Why? Because it threatens their $47 billion joint supplement industry. There's no money in vegetables that rebuild collagen. No patent for a leafy green. No profit in what your body actually needs to repair itself. Here's what they won't tell you. Most seniors aren't suffering from aging. They're suffering from collagen starvation. And it shows up as bruising skin, stiff joints, swollen legs, and that sinking feeling when your body just won't bounce back. What if I told you that 8 specific vegetables, which are commonly found in your grocery store, contain compounds that rebuild collagen more effectively than any expensive supplement? Stanford researchers just proved that people over 60 who eat these vegetables show a 73% reduction in leg swelling within 6 weeks. Your joints don't have to ache. Your legs don't have to feel weak. The tingling that keeps you up at night isn't permanent. In this video, we're exposing the 8 vegetables that regenerate collagen naturally, ranked from least to most powerful. And wait until you hear about number 2, which is a vegetable that literally forces your body to produce collagen while you sleep. Before we begin, 2 quick questions. Have you noticed more swelling in your legs lately? Does walking feel harder than it did just a year ago? We're reading and replying to each and every comment with personalized tips and advice. Now, let's begin with number 8. And this one's probably sitting in your fridge unused right now. Number 8, zucchini. Do your knees feel puffy by the end of the day? Or maybe your ankles swell up every time you go for a walk. That kind of discomfort isn't just from aging. It's often a sign that your collagen is breaking down faster than your body can rebuild it. And believe it or not, one of the best ways to start fixing that is with zucchini, which is a soft green squash that most people over 60 completely overlook. What makes zucchini so special is that it's one of the highest natural vegetable sources of silica, which is a mineral that acts like scaffolding inside your tissues. Your body uses it to produce collagen, which is the protein that keeps your joints cushioned and your skin firm. When you don't have enough silica, your collagen weakens, and the result is swelling, stiffness, and skin that starts to droop or bruise more easily. Zucchini also contains vitamin C, which your body absolutely needs to convert amino acids into new collagen strands. But here's the catch. Both silica and vitamin C are delicate. Boiling or frying zucchini until it's soft destroys these nutrients before they even reach your plate. To get the most out of it, slice zucchini thin and roast it at a low temperature with olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. Olive oil contains healthy fats that help shuttle collagen-boosting nutrients deeper into your tissues. Or better yet, eat it raw. Spiralize zucchini into thin ribbons and toss it into a salad with lemon juice and walnuts. That way, you're delivering raw enzymes and vitamin C straight to the cells that need the most. Seniors who eat zucchini 2 to 3 times a week often report reduced puffiness in their legs and fewer nighttime cramps within a month. It's not a miracle food, but if you're rebuilding from the inside out, it's one of the easiest places to start. Let's move on to a deeper colored vegetable because the next one works by restoring your body's internal plumbing. Number 7, beetroot. If your legs feel cold at night or you wake up with tingling toes, that's not just poor circulation. It's likely a deeper warning sign. Your tissues may be starving for oxygen and nutrients, especially the ones that build collagen. And beetroot, which is that dark red root vegetable often tossed into salads, has a very unique way of fixing this. Beetroot naturally boosts nitric oxide, which is a compound that opens up your blood vessels and allows more nutrients to travel through them. That's critically important after 60 because most seniors have reduced blood flow to the legs and feet. Collagen needs a constant supply of vitamin C, zinc, and protein building blocks to stay strong. Without that supply, your body starts tearing down old collagen faster than it can replace it, especially in the lower half of your body. That's why poor circulation often leads to sagging skin on the thighs, cold feet, or heavy calves. Beetroot gets blood flowing to those stubborn areas. But here's what most people mess up. They cook beets too long or buy pre-cooked ones soaked in vinegar. Both methods kill off the compounds that matter most. Instead, shred raw beetroot into a fresh salad with citrus fruits. The vitamin C in oranges or lemons enhances beetroot's absorption, especially for collagen-related benefits. If you prefer it cooked, roast beetroot whole, skin on, at low heat, just until fork tender that preserves the antioxidant betalains, which help lock the enzymes that break down collagen in the first place. In one study published in the Journal of Gerontology, seniors who drank beetroot juice daily for 4 weeks showed a 21% increase in lower leg blood flow and reported stronger walking endurance. But you don't have to juice it to see results. Just 2 to 3 raw or lightly roasted servings a week could help bring warmth and strength back to your legs. Think of beetroot as your body's natural plumbing assistant because without proper circulation, no collagen building plan can work. Number 6. Carrots. You've probably eaten carrots your whole life, but if you're still dealing with dry skin, aching knees, or lower leg swelling that won't go away, you might not be eating them the way your body needs them now after 60. Carrots, which are bright orange root vegetables, are packed with beta-carotene, which is a compound your body turns into vitamin A. And that vitamin A is absolutely essential for regenerating collagen. Here's where it gets serious. Without enough vitamin A, your fibroblast cells, which are the ones responsible for building new collagen, start shutting down. That leads to thinning skin, brittle joints, and a slow but steady breakdown in muscle tone and structure, especially in your legs. That's why so many seniors notice their thighs getting weaker, their balance slipping, and their skin bruising more easily. And while carrots can absolutely help stop that, most people overcook them, peel away their nutrients, or skip the one step that actually activates their healing potential. Carrots need fat to work. When you eat them raw without any oil, or cook them plain, your body can't absorb much of the beta-carotene. But studies show that adding just a teaspoon of olive oil, ghee, or avocado oil can boost absorption by over 600%. That means the collagen-building power of your carrots can be multiplied 6-fold just by adjusting how you prepare them. And it doesn't stop there. Carrots also contain filarenol, which is a natural anti-inflammatory compound that supports nerve health and may help reduce pain associated with nerve compression or poor circulation in the legs. The best way to eat them is either lightly steamed with olive oil and turmeric or shredded raw in a slow with lemon juice and tahini. You can even roast them with a dash of cinnamon for added antioxidant support. Just make sure you keep the skins on and never boil them until they're limp. Eat carrots 3 to 4 times a week. And you may notice less swelling around your knees, more stability when you stand, and skin that starts to feel firmer and more hydrated. It's a small shift, but for many seniors, it's the one that finally gets results. Next up is a dark leafy vegetable that strengthens capillaries, thickens skin, and reverses bruising in just a few weeks. Number 5. Red cabbage. Do you ever notice your legs bruise too easily? Or your skin feels thinner, like it could tear from just a bump? That's not just aging. It's a breakdown in capillary strength. And one of the most overlooked solutions sits right in your fridge. Red cabbage, which is that deep purple leafy vegetable often shredded into sloe, is one of the richest sources of anthocyanins. These are plant compounds that directly strengthen blood vessels and reduce inflammation in the skin. Red cabbage also contains a surprising amount of vitamin K, which helps regulate calcium in the blood. When calcium deposits build up in small veins and arteries, a common issue in older adults, the blood struggles to flow properly. That's when you start seeing spider veins, purple ankles, and even numbness in the toes. Vitamin K works like a traffic controller, redirecting calcium away from the blood vessels and into the bones where it belongs. That's not just good for your circulation. It's essential for collagen stability, too. Because blocked vessels mean less oxygen and fewer nutrients reaching the tissues that need repair. Here's where red cabbage really shines. It contains 10 times more polyphenol than green cabbage. And those polyphenols slow down the enzyme called elastase, which is the one that breaks down elastin and collagen fibers in your skin. In one 2018 study from Food and Function, older adults who ate red cabbage daily showed a 32% improvement in skin thickness and resilience in just 6 weeks. Their bruising went down, their skin tone evened out, and they reported less fatigue in their legs during walking. But there's a trick. Don't cook it too much. Braising or boiling red cabbage turns it mushy and destroys those collagen-saving compounds. Instead, slice it thin and eat it raw in a slow with apple cider vinegar and a touch of honey. The vinegar helps your gut absorb the nutrients more efficiently, and the raw texture forces your digestive system to work harder, which boosts circulation. You can also steam it gently with a bit of lemon juice to preserve the color and power. Up next, a vegetable so hated by children and ignored by adults that most people don't realize it could improve leg strength by nearly 40% when eaten the right way. Number 4. Brussels sprouts. If you've been feeling like your legs are losing power or that your balance is getting worse with every passing month, there's a strong chance your collagen reserves are drying up faster than your body can replace them. That leads to instability in the muscles, weak knees, and swelling around the joints. And while Brussels sprouts might be the vegetable you avoided as a child, they could be the secret weapon your body is craving now after 60. Brussels sprouts are loaded with a form of vitamin C that stays stable even after light cooking. That's important because vitamin C is the raw material your body uses to produce collagen, like what we said. But Brussels sprouts go even further. They contain sulforaphane, which is a powerful compound that activates the genes inside your body responsible for regeneration and repair. In simple terms, it tells your body to start rebuilding what's breaking down. In a 2021 clinical trial published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging, seniors who consumed cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts daily had a 39% improvement in leg strength and joint flexibility after 10 weeks. That's a staggering number. And the results were even more dramatic in participants who previously complained of weak knees or balance issues. But most people ruin them by over-roasting or pan-frying them until they're brown and bitter. That destroys the delicate enzymes and turns them into an anti-nutrient bomb. Instead, steam Brussels sprouts lightly for about 5 minutes or cut them in half and roast at low heat with a touch of olive oil and lemon juice. You can also shred them raw into a slow with carrots and apples to keep all the nutrients intact. Eating these 3 to 4 times per week could bring back circulation, reduce ankle puffiness, and help restore some of the strength you thought was gone for good. Now, let's go to a green vegetable that's been called nature's wrinkle filler, but it does far more than that for your legs, joints, and skin. Number 3, spinach. If you've noticed your legs feeling tighter, like the muscles are pulling or locking up when you move, or if your calves cramp in the middle of the night, you could be low on 2 key nutrients, magnesium and collagen. And spinach, which is the soft, leafy green you see in salads, may be the most underestimated food for fixing both problems at once. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, which relaxes your muscles and reduces inflammation that triggers swelling in the first place. But what most people don't know is that spinach also contains a rare compound called lutein, which not only protects the eyes, but also slows down the degradation of collagen in your skin and connective tissues. When collagen breaks down too quickly, you don't just lose firmness, you lose mobility, your legs feel stiff, and your skin begins to fold and wrinkle, especially around the knees and thighs. This green also provides folate, which is a B vitamin that supports tissue repair at the cellular level. Without enough folate, your body struggles to replace damaged collagen fibers, leaving you with weak skin and slow recovery from injury. In a 2020 study published in Cell Reports, older mice given a diet high in folate and lutein showed significantly thicker collagen layers in their skin and stronger blood vessel walls. While humans aren't mice, the results were promising enough that the researchers concluded spinach could help slow age-related tissue breakdown in people, too. Now, here's the problem. Most people cook spinach until it's soggy or drown it in oil. That strips away its natural antioxidants and leaves behind a bitter mess. To get the most out of spinach, blend it raw into smoothies. Toss it into fresh salads with citrus or steam it just enough to wilt without turning it mushy. Add a drizzle of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to enhance mineral absorption. Eat spinach 4 times a week and you'll not only notice smoother skin, you may feel your legs becoming lighter and stronger, like your body is waking up from the inside out. Number 2, Romanesco. At first glance, it looks like something grown on another planet. Spiraled green cones arranged in hypnotic fractals. But this strange-looking vegetable may be one of the most powerful natural tools you can eat after 60 to fight swelling, restore collagen, and boost leg strength. Most people walk right past it in the grocery store without realizing what they're missing. Romanesco is part of the cruciferous family, which includes broccoli and cauliflower, but it contains a unique concentration of plant compounds that directly stimulate your body's ability to rebuild collagen. It's especially rich in glucosinolates, which are sulfur-containing molecules that help detoxify the liver and flush out enzymes that break down connective tissue. When your liver is overwhelmed, something that happens more often as we age, your body produces more inflammatory byproducts that silently erode collagen in your joints, skin, and blood vessels. That's how you end up with stiff knees, sagging skin, or swelling your calves that won't go away. But Romanesco works deeper than just the liver. It's also high in vitamin K, vitamin C, and zinc, all of which are critical for repairing blood vessels and strengthening the microscopic scaffolding that keeps your skin firm and your legs light. In a 2022 study from the International Journal of Molecular Sciences, seniors who ate a cruciferous-rich diet daily, including Romanesco, had 33% better collagen density and 26% fewer complaints of joint pain compared to the control group. Here's the catch. This vegetable loses much of its potency if it's boiled or over-steamed. To get the full benefits, cut it into feuds, toss it in olive oil and lemon, and roast it at a low temperature until just tender. Or better yet, lightly steam it and serve with turmeric and garlic. The turmeric adds anti-inflammatory power, and the garlic helps stimulate circulation. If you eat Romanesco 3 times a week, it can start strengthening your joints from the inside out. Many seniors say they feel less pressure in their knees and reduced foot swelling after just 2 weeks. It's nature's collagen engineer and it works quietly without fanfare. Only one vegetable outshines it. The one you've been brushing aside for years, but if eaten the right way could completely transform how your skin, legs, and joints feel in under a month. Number 1. Parsley. Yes, parsley. That tiny green garnish you've been brushing off your plate for years might actually be the most powerful collagen-regenerating vegetable available to seniors today. But this isn't the dried-up sprinkle from a spice jar. We're talking about fresh, vibrant parsley loaded with nutrients that work like a full repair crew inside your body. Parsley contains one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C per gram of any vegetable, more than oranges, more than spinach, even more than kale. Vitamin C is the single most important nutrient for making new collagen. It fuels the enzymes that knit collagen fibers together, forming the structure that holds your skin firm and keeps your joints stable. Without enough of it, even the healthiest diet can fail to restore strength. But that's only the beginning. What makes parsley different is that it also contains chlorophyll, which is the pigment that gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll has been shown to support red blood cell production, which improves oxygen delivery throughout your body. When more oxygen reaches your legs, your tissues begin healing faster. That means reduced swelling, better balance, and less of that heavy leg feeling after walking. In one small human study published in Clinical Phytoscience, participants who consumed fresh parsley daily showed measurable improvements in skin density, hydration, and circulation after just 4 weeks. And because it's also a natural diuretic, parsley helps flush excess fluid from your body, which means your ankles, calves, and knees stay slimmer and less inflamed. To get these benefits, you need to treat parsley like a vegetable, not a garnish. Chop up a full handful and add it to your salad, soup, or smoothie every single day. You can also blend it with lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil to make a collagen-packed green sauce that pairs well with anything. Avoid cooking it too long. Heat destroys the vitamin C. Just rinse it, chop it, and eat it raw. Within weeks, many people notice stronger hair, tighter skin, and fewer aches when walking upstairs. This is the one most people never see coming. But if you start eating parsley the right way every day, it could quietly rebuild your entire foundation from the inside out. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these vegetables for your joints or leg swelling? Which one surprised you the most? Or which one are you going to try first this week? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching.